to get this show started.
Now, the 2026 NCBA Kenya Junior Strokeplay Championship concluded in thrilling fashion at the Muthomi Golf Club, with Tsevi, Soni and Kanana Muthomi emerging as the overall champions after 4 days of high-level junior golf competition. Tsevi Soni edged out Yuvraj Rajput in a closely contested battle that went down to the final hole. In the girls division, Kanana Muthomi delivered a composed and consistent performance to claim the overall girls winner title.
I think I would say I tried, especially because I just came from another tournament and I'm quite tired. Like, I could physically and mentally feel it, so hopefully I can go home and recover. The aspect I'm most proud of in my game is my mental game, even though on the final hole it wasn't that good. Over the 4 days it's been pretty good. Even after a bad shot or even a bad hole, I was able to bounce back.
I don't think it's really hit yet, but yeah, I mean, it feels really good. I mean, I really wasn't supposed to play this tournament, but I insisted to my parents that I should, and yeah, it was worth playing. To be honest, for me, it was just doing what I can. I mean, I was prepared for him to make an eagle or a birdie. I mean, I just tried to hit every shot as good as I could and see what happened.
It shows that there is tremendous growth in the junior section in golf, and we are getting more good scores and more juniors taking part, and it's becoming very competitive.
Now, FIFA President Gianni Infantino has confirmed that Iran will play in the 2026 World Cup